determinant of matrix P. Demonstrate that matrix P has an inverse. It will have an inverse if its determinant is not 0. So let's find its determinant. So in part A, the determinant of P will be the product of the leading diagonal, 2 times 5, minus the product of the other diagonal, 3 multiplied by negative 1. 2 5s are 10, minus negative 3 or plus positive 3 is 13. Therefore, P has an inverse. Okay, determine inverse of P. So the inverse of P negative 1, is 1 over the determinant of P, and then we're going to switch the terms in the leading diagonal. So that will be 5 and 2 instead, and change the signs of those in the others. So it'll be negative 3 and positive 1. So our inverse is 1 on 13, 5, negative 3, 1 and 2. Part C of the question then asks us to verify that P multiplied by the inverse of P equals the inverse of P multiplied by P, which also equals I. So I'm just going to do one step of that. So I'll do the matrix multiplication. P times the inverse of P. So we'll go P matrix is 2, 3, negative 1, 5. And that is then multiplied by 1 on 13. Now the 1 on 13 is a scalar value. Scalar values can multiply through matrices in any particular order. So I'm actually going to put the 1 on 13 at the front. The matrix multiplication must be in a specific order. And then the other matrix will be 5, negative 3, 1 and 2. Alright, so leaving the 113 at the front, it's a 2 by 2 matrix multiplied by 2 by 2 matrix. Therefore, our answer is going to be a 2 by 2 matrix. So first row by first column, 2 times 5 is 10, plus 3 times 1 is 3. 10 plus 3 is 13. Okay, same row, second column, 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. 3 times 2 is 6. Negative 6 plus 6 is 0. And you can start to see what's happening already. 13 and 0, that's what we need, because there's a 113 at the front. When you multiply that 113 through, that 13 will become a 1. Let's double check the bottom row now. Negative 1 times by 5 is negative 5, plus 5 times 1 is 5. So yes, the answer is 0. And then negative 1 times by negative 3 is positive 3. 5 times 2 is 10. Positive 3 and 10 is 13. Okay, and then when we multiply that through, we get 1, 0, 0, 1. The identity matrix. Done.